Hi, my name is Luke, and I install the piles here at the Woodland Neck Company. So at the beginning of the process, we mark everything out, we measure. We do this to ensure that the piles are in the correct places according to the drawing. To get the correct height for our piles, we do use a laser. It's all very precise, there's a lot that goes into it. It helps us get the correct depth for the piles. To drive the piles down, we use a diesel and hydraulic powered machine called a dingo. And we'll drive that into the backyard, use plywood as needed to protect the lawn. And with this machine, it's got a lot of power behind it. We're able to drive these piles down to depth, get them perfectly level and to the correct PSI. Now that we have our layout done and our dingo into the backyard, we're ready to start drilling them. So they're a 7-foot long steel screw essentially. We're gonna use our layout to place exactly where we need them. We'll hook the dingo machine up to it, and with that hydraulic power and the diesel engine behind it, we have all the power we need to drive them to depth, perfectly level with our laser line. A helical pile is going to have a lot less damage on your yard. There's not going to be a bunch of mud everywhere all over the site. It's very clean and easy, as you can see. Very minimal impact and damage on your lawn. Also, in comparison to a post, this steel galvanized pile will not rot like traditional lumber would. They're going to last a lot longer. It's going to provide a stronger footer for your deck.